Today we're looking at this Mercury 50 horsepower two-stroke. These were made in the mid-90s. The parts fit between these serial number ranges. Okay, guys? This is the last floor unit I have for one of these, but it does have a broken skeg, but it does shift as it should. Okay? This also has a electric tilt and trim motor, which is actually the 2-wire setup. You should know these Mercury two-stroke parts are getting harder and harder to find. So if I were you, I would get them while I still have them. All right, I'm gonna pull off this hood so we can see what other goodies I have left for the meantime. All right, these Mercuries were very simple and actually very reliable. As you see, there's not much to this motor. Right here we have the throttle lever, and then right behind that hiding is a fuel solenoid valve. And then, as you see, there's only the thermostat cover on this side, and now this motor had 110 compression on all cylinders. Also came with the oil tank. And behind the oil tank, it actually runs down to a little oil pump assembly. Here's the starter cover and starter. And then this is your sound attenuator or your silencer. And on this side is basically your electrical box. Here is your switch box, okay? And then here's your starter solenoid, your fuel pump underneath the oil tank. And then on the left is your ignition coil assembly. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.